Hi! We're gonna have another DIY and I'm gonna make another tulle skirt for an adult. So what you need is you need to measure around your waist, and you're gonna have to leave like about 3 inches leverage so that the tulle will be able to go around the elastic. And as you see my last video where I make my daughter's beautiful pink and purple tulle skirt, it's the same process, the same strategy, is the same thing you're gonna do for the big one. Okay, and what I did was, as you know, you all went with me to the store where I got the black tulle and the purple tulle. So the tulle for my one, I'm going to use about, let me see, I cut up about 4 yards, but for you, if you're smaller, I will say 2 yards. All depends on the size, all depends on your size. You're going to follow to suit. Okay, so this is how big the tulle came. Okay, it's really, really big. And what I did was I actually bend the tulle in half, right? You bend the tulle in half and you measure it from your waist to your, from your waist go down to see how long you want it, because it all depends on how long you want your tulle skirt. Yes, you are the master of what you want. And what I did was, after I folded it in half, what I did was I lined it up properly so that it will be all even. And what I'm going to do is you fold it in a second time so that you'll be able to cut it really, really easily. You wouldn't have to open it on the floor and go through all that hassle. Just it in half. I fold it in half again, the long way. And what you're going to do is you're going to start from the end and you're going to cut your cloth, your strips for your tulle skirt. And as I said before, this does not fray, so doesn't matter if it's not as all the same size. Make it as close to the same size as possible so that your skirt will be looking professionally done. Okay, but I also know that even if you have like small pieces and big pieces of the strips, it actually gives the skirt definition to me, so I'm just showing you what I did. I just cut some pieces of strips from it, but I already have these cut already. So look at this. Woo! Got it already cut. So what we're gonna do now is, the next step is we're gonna get our elastic. Put single strand. You have your elastic. You bend your first tulle in half, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna slip it under, and then you're gonna pull these 2 pieces through the loop. Okay, so this is your first tulle strand on. And what I'm going to do is, this one is a little bit more stiffer than the other one, than my daughter's own. So, there are many different tulle materials, So I chose to get like the stiffer one. It's a little bit thicker. It's a little bit thicker than the last one. So make your loop, you push it under, you pull it under the elastic, and you pull it through the loop. We're gonna do it again to show you. Get your tool. You make sure you have it evenly. You pull it under the elastic and you bring it through the loop-de-loop. And you're just gonna keep on doing this until you have completed the whole of the elastic. Okay. And as I said before, you're gonna need a nice black skirt so that you know your your hoo-ha or your undergarments don't show. Okay, guys? You know, you don't want to make people blind out there, right? With your undergarments and stuff, right? So we got to do it really, really decent, right? We got to have our undergarments, our, I would say like a black, you know, skirt, not too long, and you wear it under your tulle skirt so that it will all blend in, you know, and you wouldn't be mooning anybody out there. You know, we don't want that, you know. I'm going to be actually blocking traffic out there, right? When they see all of that misbehavior. So here I go. On and on and on. Until I have my complete skirt. My completed skirt. And this is no sewing, guys. Just like about 50 degrees today. I mean, it was awesome. Imagine 50 degrees in November. You know, yeah, it was that kind of day, you know. Thank you guys for tuning in. You could have been anywhere else, but you chose to be here with me today, and I appreciate you so much. Okay, so here I go. I'm gonna go around and around and around the skirt, around the elastic. And thank you guys for all your warm comments, and you guys are just so awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I know I took a long time to do this, but I was so busy, you know, with my kids' school and everything else. I've been so busy, you know. Homeschooling and stuff is not easy, you know. So I said as soon as I get time to do what I gotta do, I would be on it. You know what I'm saying, guys? Thank you for your patience. And just now, I'm just filling in the gaps as I go with the skirt. But it's almost done. And see, you know, how thick you want it. You know, if you want less tulle, more tulle, you know. But I'm almost finished. And I hope you like what you see so far. Okay, I'm still filling up the gaps in the spaces. There's some little gaps and as I said to you before, this is the top part of it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill in the gaps. I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker, but I'm just showing you how easy it is to get this look. So this is your skirt, guys, your tulle skirt. Okay, a lot of definition, yes, high and low definitions, and you know, it's awesome. Okay, guys, so try it out. I tried it on and it fits perfectly. You just make sure you adjust your elastic to suit. Okay, guys, thank you for being here with me today. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Are you gonna try it? Yeah, I finally did it for you to see. And thank you. Okay, you guys have a wonderful night. God bless. Okay, mwah, 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 mwah. Bye.